Oh, hi everyone, it's Coach Rob back, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Jackery solar power generator. This is the 300 watt model, so it's called the Explorer 300. Now the reason why I got this, as you may or may not know, recently I got a Dodge Caravan, and I plan to go camping in it like this spring and summer and maybe in the fall. And what this will do for me is this will allow me to recharge my cell phone, and if I take my tablet, my iPad, I can recharge it, and I can run some lights off it inside the van, and I can have a small fan. And the higher models of this is a 300 model. I think they start at the 160 model, then there's a 200 model, and there's like a 500, a 1000, and a 1500 watt model, and they just do more power. But I thought for me this would be good to start off with. Now I did not get the solar panels because the solar panels are super expensive. They're like $300 or $400. Like even this was over $300 itself. But it can also power my CPAP machine. I got a CPAP machine that I use sometimes when I go to sleep at night. And yeah, so I did some research online and watched other people that have the them in their vans or campers, and I also got a case for it too. This was another company that made it. This is not a Jackery case, but it's going to be good. Underneath here is a topic for another video. That's a Dymo label printer. We'll do this in another video another time, but we're going to put this over here, and we're going to get right into the opening here. Now this isn't going to be a review video or a demo video. We'll do that another time. So yeah, we always got to be careful with knives, like when you're opening things. Like we don't want to right, and we're just getting here. This is probably a dangerous way of doing it, but I see it's stuck on here. I guess I should have had this semi-done beforehand, but that's okay. Okay, anyway, what we're going to do is just going to put the knife over here, like real quick, because we want to be safe, right? We don't want to be safe. And as you can see, the Coach Rob comes from, I help out cross-country track and field at the local high school, and I help out with the Victoria Special Olympics as well, right? So we're going to open this up and see what we got. This is really exciting, to be honest. When it came, oh, I guess that's the cables. The cables are in there. So let's keep in suspense. We're going to do the cables first. Like, that's kind of nice. It came with this. I didn't think it came with any case at all. So this here is going to be the AC, right? That's what we'll charge it up with when we're in the house, right? But when you're driving in the van, or any vehicle for that matter, you would use this device to plug it into your AC outlet, your cigarette lighter. Now my van, it does have an inverter in it, so I could actually use this. But we'll think we're going to just, whatever, follow the instructions. Now there should be instructions in here too, I'm hoping. There always is. Oh yeah, we got it right here. The Jackery solar user manual. So what we'll do is we'll open that up first and we'll see what's in there. We're going to keep all this like safe together. Like for tonight, I just might put it in the box that it came in. So that's your Jackery user manual, and it came with some stickers. Not sure if I use those. I might put them in a binder, on a sheet, just in a binder like that. So we'll keep those safe. They're pretty nice, like. Or we could take, yeah, that's cool. It's neat when you get stuff like that. Anyway, the Jackery user manual here, it goes in, get the power station, what you should do. Okay, I'm not going to read it all word for word, but we're going to package list. Please kindly check all the accessories. We got the Jackery itself, the car charger cable, the AC, and the user manual. please check all the same as the one you ordered. No, charge before use. No, charge before using your new Jackery. Plug it into a suitable power outlet. So over here where my microwave is, I'm going to put it right there, but I'm going to unplug the microwave because that's just a backup microwave. And it's got all the buttons here, so... Okay, recharging time for the wall charger is going to be around 4 to 5 hours, it says. In the car, around 5 hours. And on the solar power, the 100-watt optional panel, but we'll probably get that down the road in the summer. A 100-watt panel will charge this thing in 5.5 hours. But remember, it's got to be in direct sunlight. You can't do it if it's not sunlight. How to use the power station. Start power. No, for power saving, portable power will turn off automatically in 12 hours when being drawn under 10 watts of power. Okay, will be turned off, okay, after 12 hours, so that's good. So if you had a light on in the middle of the night that wasn't drawing, okay, and this is going to be good. Power input, and it's got all the, it's a very good manual. It shows you what all the functions are. Give it more time charging, 5 hours, runtime. Okay, we'll say after it's charged, a drone, a 90-watt max drone will charge it 5.8 times. A motion camera, like my Nikon camera, so will charge the batteries 54 times. A MacBook, which is 30 watts, I don't have one of those. It will charge it 4 times. A smartphone, which I do have, that's what we're recording this on. It will recharge it about 30 times, which is good because it goes pretty good. And a 32-inch TV, which I'm not going to take camping, but if I did, it would run it for about 4.5 hours. That's quite impressive, actually. Right? And what we'll do now is so I think we're just going to, we'll take a quick look at it, and we'll Power Solutions. Yeah, there's all different models, like, so you can go to Jackery.com. Well, we'll go through them quickly. They have the Jackery Explorer 160 Mini. That's an entry-level one, right? Then they have the Jackery Explorer 240. They call that an entry-level as well. And that the advantage of that one is it has an AC adapter, which the 160 doesn't, I don't think. No, the entry-level one doesn't. That's the 240. I almost got that one, but I thought I would pay the extra money and get the 300, as it shows the 500 in here next. Classic, 500 Classic. And so it's odd, it doesn't list the one I got in here. But anyway, yeah, the E300, it will do the laptop 4 times. Yeah, mine won't run the car fridge or a big fridge, but it doesn't need to because it's got that. It says it won't run the CPAP, but I've read other words that it will. But anyway, yeah, and you can get a 60-watt solar power, a 100-watt solar panel, but I'll probably get the 100. So we're gonna pull it out. This is thanks for the big suspense. Like, we're all being for this quite a bit. Like, oh, so there's the Jackery there, and it's all packed in here. So after it's charged, we're gonna put it right back into there. We'll put it right back into there. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Jackery 300 power supply. It is heavy, and that's your input for your charging. Right, we're gonna put the charge there, and that's where you put your solar panel or any of your power cords to charge it. There's a USB, 2 USB here, and I believe that's the USB Mini up there. Right, and we got 2 110 volt plugs up to 100 watts only, right? And here you got your classic car 12 volt battery. The lower model, the 160, does not have that. So it has that, but it doesn't have the cover, right? And when it's all said and done, we'll put it in this bag here. We'll just make sure that it goes in this bag. But we definitely want to charge it first, like, and it will go in that bag. Oh yeah, look at that. It goes in that bag nicely. And those power cords will go in here too. We'll put that whole thing in there. Like maybe we'll just slide that whole bag in there, like, so we keep it all central, like. Will that go into there? Well, I ain't gonna go into there, but that's okay for now. Like, we'll put it in there after, like. Okay, so please like and subscribe to this channel. We'll catch you on the next the video down the road soon. We really appreciate all your comments and subscriptions and likes and shares of the channel. So you guys have a good day, and we're definitely going to do some videos when we're camping showing this in use. So thanks for stopping by. Thank you. The Jackery 300.